turboprops to fire off and get warm enough, there's no chance you can hear yourself think or talk to your co-commentator, so Ando and I decided we'd give you folks a break from our dulcet tones.
Well, it's not hard to imagine what the noise would have been like there and quiet relatively.
Taking off just over there, but it was sitting right here in front of us with 4,600 shaft horsepower engines.
Off-land attack missiles, torpedoes, heli boxes, all sorts of things. An incredible amount of data to save many, many lives.
Yep. My father actually did that in the Sunderland back in the 50s. They were asked if they could go back in again. They said, nope.
Different to the B-52 where you can see it coming from miles and miles away.
Same with the 707.
We actually
aircraft for this one for me. And the guys said that what we should see here is that they're going to have the bomb bay doors open, so we'll see if I'm right on this one. And if they do, this is where they carried torpedoes and air-sea rescue kits, as Ando was saying. No.
A high-speed run now.
Been told it's the last pass. Have a listen to this.
You might have seen just under being able to reverse, and you saw that very short runway roll there on the landing.